Good morning, children. Today we are going to start off with a new lesson, which is the clever crab. I'm sure you heard this story many a times. Your parents or somebody must have read it out to you or narrated it to you as a bedtime story. Hmm? It's a very interesting story with a moral attached. It's from the Panchatantra. Okay. So, let's go ahead with the lesson. Before we start, can you tell me if you have chocolates? Yes. Do you get greedy at times? Do you try to eat all of the chocolates that are there? Hmm? You don't want to share it with your sibling. You just want to have all of them by yourselves. Do you do that? Yes. That is greedy, right? That is being greedy, and it's not good, right? Okay. So let's start off with the lesson now. Once upon a time, there lived a stork near a big pond. The stork would catch fish from the pond for food. Now, once upon a time, there lived a stork. Stork is the kind of bird that you can see on the screen now, right? It lived near a big pond and it used to catch and eat fish from that pond. Okay? As time went by, the stork grew old and could no longer catch fish. He grew very thin and weak. One day, he got an idea and started crying by the pond. So, as the time went by, the stork it grew older, right? It aged, and you know how it is, right? When people age or anything ages, they're not as adept at doing things as they used to be, right? So the stork, it was not able to catch fish and eat them like it used to earlier, right? It did not have the energy or focus to catch fish any longer, and it was growing thin and big because it couldn't catch fish and it couldn't eat anything. So one day he got an idea and he started crying by the pond. He stood near the pond and he started crying. Okay? Fish, why are you crying? Stork, I have come to say goodbye, my friends. I am moving elsewhere. So the stork, it had an idea. It went to the pond and it stood by the pond and it started crying. Now the fish in the pond, they saw the stork crying, and the fish came out and they asked, why are you crying? The stork says, I have come to say goodbye to you, my friends. I am moving elsewhere. Now the fish says, why? What's the matter? Stork, my friends have just told me that this year there will be no rains and this pond will soon dry up. So, when the stork says, I'm moving elsewhere, the fish asks, why? What's the matter? Why are you moving out? The stork says, my friends have just told me that this year there's going to be no rain and this pond is going to dry up. So, I am planning to go elsewhere.